expert advice. Think tankless water heaters are all the same? That misconception costs homeowners comfort, money, and space. I recommend systems based on flow, efficiency, and installation fit. The Rheem RTG Series stands out immediately. It delivers up to 7 GPM of continuous hot water. That means showers, sinks, and appliances can run together. For many homes, that solves the hot water bottleneck. With 160,000 BTUs, performance stays steady under demand. You get fast heating without waiting for a storage tank. That is a major advantage for busy households, especially in homes with 2 or 3 bathrooms. Its non-condensing design is built for outdoor installation. No indoor venting complications, no extra exhaust planning. That simplifies installation and saves valuable interior space. The compact metal cabinet mounts neatly on the wall. It suits utility areas, patios, and exterior walls. For homeowners, that means cleaner layout and better access. For contractors, it means a more efficient install path. Efficiency is another reason this unit deserves attention. Its 0.82 UEF helps reduce wasted energy. Compared with a 50-gallon electric tank, savings can be significant. On-demand heating only uses gas when hot water is needed. That translates into lower utility bills over time. The digital LED control panel adds precise temperature control. Adjust settings in 1-degree increments for consistent comfort. No more surprise temperature swings during showers. Safety features are equally important in any gas appliance. This Rheem model includes freeze protection and flame failure protection. Its multi-point safety system supports dependable daily operation. CSA certification adds confidence for residential buyers. The copper heat exchanger supports reliable long-term performance. Hot start programming helps reduce cold water hesitation. That creates a smoother experience at every faucet. In moderate climates, it suits about 2.5 bathrooms well. For large families, that can mean real household relief. The result is endless hot water without tank limitations. No recovery time, no running out mid-shower. Rheem also backs it with strong warranty protection. 15 years on the heat exchanger shows real confidence. 5 years on parts adds extra peace of mind. If you want outdoor, high-efficiency hot water, consider this. It balances power, savings, safety, and everyday convenience. For the right home, it is a smart upgrade. Talk with a qualified installer and choose with confidence.